We are waking up at Kewadin Casino, I think I'm saying that right, in St. Ignace, Michigan. And we have a busy couple of days ahead of us before we cross into Canada, so I figured I'd take you along. And that's how we kill time while water is boiling. Onward. I'm actually filming another YouTube video, the one that'll go up next week. So, busy day. I got the shot almost set up here, but I wanted to show you something really quick that I think is pretty cool. I can actually connect my phone to this camera, and so that I don't have to look at the screen of the camera, I can actually look at my phone from wherever I need to put it. So it's a lot more handy to set up the shot since I can't really look at the viewfinder or the screen on the camera. So this way I can kind of see what the shot is. Okay, so now I'm on to the part where I'm talking to the camera. My phone chilling here, and I have it sitting on my table right now. I just put it upside down, the tripod, and I'm all mic'd up. Currently getting a jump on some of the footage. Here is me processing the time lapse in a program called After Effects. Just finished up filming, and we are about to hit the road, heading up north to Sault Ste Marie, which is the border of Canada and US. So, let's hit it. We have made it to our home for the next couple of nights, aka good old Wally World here. Tonight's just a work night, and chilling here. Stay tuned. And after a long, slow morning / early afternoon, not moving, we are finally up and going for the day. Sometimes you just need a really incredibly slow start to the day. Am I right? I think we're, yeah. I got one excited pup on my hands right now. Wow. Just out for a nice walk in Sault Ste Marie, down by the locks. This could be good. We're trying to get a closer look where I can have Sam. So far we've just seen so much of this. Maybe this is our answer. I don't think it's gonna be quite as cool, but right now we'll take what we can get.
A few moments later.
It was too good to be true. We just got kicked out. Oh man. Oh shoot, I didn't see that. Yep, there it is. She's very nice about it. Kicked us out elegantly. We'll continue our walk from the sidewalk. Finally found a spot where it's okay for Sam to come and be right on the water. little marina spot, which is pretty nice, right on the water. And it couldn't be more peaceful out here right now. Just so quiet. Enjoying our time. Very northern edge of Michigan. About to cross into Canada. Super pumped. Super pumped. And he's coming. And you're coming. Something's down there. Do you see fish? What is it? Oh, is it that thing floating? It's probably just the weed floating. Something just not right about that, is it? What is that? Some exciting things happening here. What is it? What is that thing? It's just a floating seaweed. It's okay. Just the way it moves, something funky. There is a observation tower where you can actually get a pretty good vantage point and see these locks where they like raise and lower ships. So I'm excited to see what that's about. It is definitely reminding me that I really like being by the water. I think I'm gonna just try to stay by the water as much as possible because it just puts me in a good mood. There's something about the water. It's just so therapeutic for me. Right, Sam? You like the water too, don't you? Yeah, we're water people and dog. Tonight, I have to use up the fruits that I have because we can't take them. Can't take them over there tomorrow. So I have like a whole bag of frozen berries I'm gonna try to use tonight. That's well, not maybe in a whole bag, close to maybe half or a little more. So it's a smoothie / fruit night. Pah! Okay, we made it back to our good old lovely Walmart parking lot here in my favorite spot of all, which is like right in the back, and we have a median island thingy, which is nice. It's the little things, all right? It's the little things. But I had an idea. I was saying earlier how I have to use all my fruit and frozen fruit. Yeah, I was just gonna make a smoothie, but instead I got smart. Also, pancake sounded really good, so I'm gonna try, I've never done this, but boiling these berries down to make a little nice syrup for the pancakes. So far so good on the pancake operation here. Sauce is pretty good. Added a little bit of sweetener to it, not gonna lie. And yeah, it's coming along. Sam officially knows I opened the peanut butter. Yep. And for the end result, oh, it doesn't look pretty, but it's delicious. And I've tested it and it tastes so good. We are back in the van for the night. I'm just actually going through and editing this video right now. I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for tuning in this week and coming along with me while I get back into this vlogging stuff. Anyway, I really look forward to taking you guys along with me, taking you along with us on our journey to Canada. And until then, I'll see you next time.